Hello, my name is samuditha kavishka. I'm going to talk about some parts of database analysis and design assignment. Let's have a look at the contents of this presentation. At the beginning, I'm going to talk about all drop table statements and primary key constraint. At the end, I'm going to talk about the summary of this presentation. Drop table statement. The drop table statement is used to delete the data and the table structure. Let's have a look at the syntax that we use to drop a table. In SQL, we need to type drop table. After that, we need to mention table name that we want to delete. According to the theory, this is how we use that in our assignment. After we create tables as manage, expertise, supervisor, we can use a drop table statement to delete specific table. If we write drop table statement without any syntax or logical errors, result will be OK 0 rows. Let's see what are the errors that can occur related to this statement. First one is table or view does not exist. This error pops up because we are trying to delete a table that doesn't even exist. So to solve this problem, we have to create a table first and we can delete it after that. And let's see about this error. The reason for this error is that we are trying to delete the parent table, which includes a primary key that is referenced in a table as a foreign key. To solve this error, first we have to drop the child table. After that, we can drop the parent table easily. Next, I'm going to talk about the primary key constraint. Primary key constraint specifies that the constraint column's values must be uniquely identified in each row. So we have to define the primary key in our create table like this. This is the syntax we use to define it. So we have to write constraint name, then primary key and columns that we are using as primary key. In task 2.4, we have to test our primary key constraint by inserting these data. After that, an error will pop up because we entered the same data except for the hours worked in task 2.3. So let's see the error. This is the error. It gives us a meaningful error to a better understanding than the normal error. So that's the end of my discussion. Here is the summary of this discussion. So we have to make sure we are deleting the table that we want, because after dropping a table we can't recover the data. Also, we need to have a better understanding of child and parent tables to drop tables. Also, when we are entering data into the table, we need to make sure we are not repeating the same data into the primary key. And that's it. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.